Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. I am offering free pressure washing services. I noticed your driveway is a little dirty, so I thought I'd offer.
No, we just had it pressure washed. It doesn't clean up.
Okay, okay.
We just had our house painted, so they did the whole thing, and it's just so old. It needs to be. We're going to try to resurface it. But we just like 2 months ago had our whole house painted. We had everything pressure washed.
Well, I'd love to show you how clean I can get it.
Not right now. We've spent a lot of money.
Oh, it'd be free.
No.
Nothing. No charge.
No.
No catch?
Not right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry.
I've got one more to get. I'm doing 2 free pressure washing services this week.
Why?
Because I make some YouTube content. It's part of my business model. Yeah. This would all come clean. And the entryway.
If you want it. I mean, you sure it's free? I can't.
100% free.
Okay.
Yep. I've got one over here in Wintry Oaks tomorrow morning.
Oh, when would you do it?
I could do it tomorrow.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. I convinced you.
Yeah, I'll be home.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, cool.
Okay.
My name's Baron, by the way.
Baron?
Yeah, here. I'll give you one of my cards.
Yeah, he's very protective. I couldn't open the door.
I understand.
He'd want to kill you.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Be a good boy.
Yes, ma'am. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey everyone, Baron here with Jungle Nation Pressure Washing and Roof Cleaning. I went ahead and walked up to this house that had a filthy sidewalk, and as I was walking up, I noticed how dirty the driveway was and also the entryway. I wanted to offer them free pressure washing, so I knocked on the door and the lady answered. When she answered, she told me something that I thought was interesting. She told me that the driveway was just recently pressure washed. I was looking around at it and I said, well, I'd love to show you how clean I can get it. And she was skeptical at first. She said no to the free pressure washing offer because it was just done. So I said, I'm doing it absolutely free, no charge to you, no catch, nothing at all. Let me show you how clean it can get. She said, okay. She did say something funny. She did tell me that her dog would kill me. And I said, I understand. So I stayed far away from the dog. When I got started on the job, I started with a pre-treat with my SH because there was a lot of mold and algae buildup. I didn't think the surface cleaner and the turbo tip were going to get it right away. So I went ahead and did a pre-treat. After the pre-treat, I took the turbo cleaner out, I hit the entire entryway with the turbo cleaner, and then I edged the driveway. I came down to the sidewalks, and I edged the sidewalks as well with the turbo cleaner. Once I did that, I also did a few panels of the sidewalk with the turbo nozzle because I thought that's just really fun for me. I love the turbo nozzle, I think a lot of other guys do too. And it comes out super awesome, it's a great transformation. After the turbo nozzle, I busted out the surface cleaner which makes quick work of the dirt, mold, and algae on top of the concrete surface. I did that on the driveway and the sidewalks, and once I got finished with that, I gave it a good rinse, and we were all said and done. The homeowner was so ecstatic that she called me back. She wanted me to do the pool deck and the patios and some random pavers out back. So we went ahead and took care of that for her, and it ended up being an awesome job in transformation. Stay till the end to look at the before and after photos. Stay tuned, Jungle Nation out. I'll see you guys next time.